In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a theme in LibreOffice Impress. If you want your slides to look polished and consistent without spending hours adjusting colors and fonts, themes are the quickest way to get there. They bundle coordinated backgrounds, text styles, and color palettes so every slide feels like part of the same story. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress. If the template chooser appears, you can select a starter layout or simply open a blank presentation. If you're continuing work on something you've already created, go ahead and open that file so you can see changes in context. Next, make sure the sidebar is visible. On the menu bar, click View, then choose Sidebar. This panel is where you'll access Master Slides, which is the area that controls themes. In the sidebar, look for the Master Slides icon. It looks like a little slide with a smaller window on it. If you already see tabs like Properties or Gallery, just switch to Master Slides to reveal the theme gallery. Inside Master Slides, you'll find a section labeled Available for Use. This is a curated collection of built-in templates designed to give your presentation a cohesive look. To apply a theme to your entire presentation, simply double-click the one you like. Impress will update all slides instantly, aligning backgrounds, heading styles, and color accents. If you don't love the result, press Undo and pick another option. This is a safe way to preview different looks quickly. Remember that your actual content, like text and images, stays in place. You're just changing how it's presented. If you only want certain slides to use a different theme, that's easy too. In the slide pane on the left, select the slides you want to change. You can hold Ctrl or Shift to select multiple slides. Then, in the Master Slides panel, right-click the theme you want and choose Apply to Selected Slides. This lets you mix and match designs within a single deck. Use a clean theme for your main content and a bolder one for section dividers, for example, without affecting the rest of the presentation. A couple of quick tips as you fine-tune your look. Manual formatting you've applied to text or shapes may override parts of the theme, so if something doesn't change as expected, it could be due to direct formatting on that object. Also, transitions and animations won't be altered by switching themes, so your pacing remains intact. When you're satisfied, review a few slides to confirm readability and contrast, then save your presentation. That's all there is to it: fast, consistent styling with just a few clicks.